To take a screenshot, press Windows plus Shift plus S together. As you can see, the snipping tool pane opens up over here. And the first one is known as rectangular snip. You can take any ways like this or like this. And after you do it, it will automatically be copied to the clipboard. And there is a notification which comes with that. It says that snip has been copied to the clipboard. After clicking, you can just edit it if you want and crop it. And it will stay in the clipboard by default. Now if you want to take it in the other way, just click the Windows plus Shift plus S again. This is known as freeform snip. You can take it in any shape you want, like this or like this. As you can see, this is how my thing has come. Now again, this thing is known as a particular window snip. If you are using any browser, only if you want to capture any particular image or any screen or a window, just click on this one and take it. And the fourth one is known as full screen snip, which functions as the print screen button. It takes a full screenshot of the whole screen. Or if you don't want to use the shortcut, just head over to the start menu and type for snipping tool. As you can see, this thing has been popped up. Just click on new over here. This pane opens up back. On Windows 10, Snip and Sketch will open, and Windows 11 Snipping Tool will open. There is no difference between them, the names have been changed. And if you want to see the multiple images on your clipboard, just press Windows plus V together. As you can see, these are there over here. And yeah, if this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe.